Peroneal vein. 6 questions and answers. What are peroneal veins also known as? The peroneal veins are also known as the fibular veins. Do peroneal veins accompany the fibular artery? Yes, the peroneal veins accompany the fibular artery. Are peroneal veins considered deep veins? Yes, the peroneal veins are considered deep veins. Are peroneal veins found adjacent to the fibula bone? The peroneal veins are adjacent to the fibula bone. Which compartment of the legs does the peroneal veins drain? The peroneal veins drain the lateral compartment of the leg. Into which vein do the peroneal veins drain? The peroneal veins drain into the posterior tibial vein.